Did someone say free Twitch subscriptions? So you want to subscribe to your favorite streamer on Twitch, but you don't want to pay $4.99 for a tier 1 sub? Don't worry, I got you covered. Here's how to subscribe to your favorite streamer for free. With tier 1 subscriptions, you can support your favorite streamers. Subscriptions are a great way to directly support the streamers you love and get great benefits too, like ad-free viewing, chatting during subscriber-only mode, watch subscriber-only streams, and instantly unlock your favorite sub badge and show your support. So you want to subscribe to your favorite streamers, but you don't want to pay any money? Where it says free subscription with Twitch Prime, click start your free trial. By going through this process, you can subscribe once a month to your favorite streamers. Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey you guys, my name's Wesley, aka the CalmCoolSavage, and I'll be your Twitch hack for the night. This is my new series on the channel dedicated to helping amateur and beginner streamers on Twitch. Basically, Twitch subscriptions are monthly payments made to Twitch partners and affiliates as a way for viewers to support their favorite channels. Subscriptions are one of the more popular ways for streamers to make money on Twitch.
Oh, cool. Thank you for the tier 1 sub. Appreciate it, bro. Wes, I appreciate that very much.
With the tier 1 subscription, you can unlock additional emotes. You automatically get a loyalty badge that will appear right next to your name when you type in chat. If you choose to sub for more than 1 month, for every 3 months, you gain a new badge. And you can even make your way all the way up to a 1-year subscriber badge. By then, everyone in the stream will know who you are. So you're probably wondering now, how do I subscribe to my favorite streamer? Please, CalmCoolSavage, tell me. Well, let's talk about that. So to get started, you're gonna want to go to your favorite streamer's channel. I'm gonna be using my channel as an example at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. If you guys like the content on my channel, feel free to drop the free sub. To get started on getting your free sub, you're gonna want to click the subscription button. This window will pop up. Scroll down where it says start your free trial. Now if you don't want to pay $12.99 for Twitch Prime, there is a free trial. And basically this allows you to get a free trial every month so that you can subscribe to your favorite streamer, cancel the trial without spending a penny. I know, right? It sounds way too good to be true. So you're gonna wanna try Prime, continue, and then it's gonna ask if you wanna link your Amazon Prime with your Twitch Prime accounts. You're gonna wanna confirm. Next, you're gonna wanna sign into your Amazon, and it'll bring you right to this page. Start your 30-day Prime free trial today. Click on Start your 30-day free trial. And just like that, you have leveled up with Twitch Prime. Feels nice, right? Oh yeah, feels real good. You now have the Twitch Prime badge, the badge of royalty, which appears right next to your name in chat. By signing up to Twitch Prime, you can also claim free loot. And of course, what we all have been looking for, use your free channel subscription. Directly support your favorite streamers. You can subscribe again for free every 30 days. Let's go ahead and subscribe for free. So now when I go back to my Twitch channel and click on the subscribe button, you're gonna wanna scroll down to where we signed up in the beginning. Now it says subscribe free. Click the subscribe button.
Savage pack, savage pack, savage pack, savage pack. We the illest of time. If you stay on your grind, you could get what you want. You gotta put it to mind.
And it's that easy. You have now used your free Twitch Prime subscription. And the cool thing about this is that you can cancel your free trial at any time, and you still get to keep all the benefits of your subscription. Next, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime and your Twitch Prime so that you don't get charged after the 30 days are up. Go to your Amazon, click on Accounts and Lists, click on Prime. After that, click Membership. Go down to End Membership. Scroll down to Cancel My Benefits. And to try to get you to stay, go ahead and click Continue to Cancel. Now it's still gonna try to get you to stay, but you're just gonna wanna go to Cancel Membership. And that's how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. This also cancels out your Twitch Prime account, so it's fairly easy to do, and you still get to keep all the benefits of your free subscription. And that's how to subscribe to your favorite streamers for free. If you didn't hear before, I also stream on twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. We're on the way to 3K follows. We got an amazing community, aka the Savage Pack, and it's growing every day. Come on over, join the fun. I do a lot of variety gaming streams, just chatting, and skateboarding streams. I just like to have fun, and I try to relate to my viewers as best as I can. I would like to see you guys in the stream, and I hope you like the video. If you do, comment down below, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. If you like the video, hit up that like button. If you like the content on my channel, punch out the sub button. Remember, we're all amazing people capable of amazing things. Did someone say free Twitch subscriptions?